Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experiences with both banks. In this video, we're comparing HSBC USA and M&T Bank to help you determine which institution best suits your financial needs. Direct links to both banks are included in the description for your convenience. Let's delve into their features, service offerings, and identify the ideal customer for each. HSBC USA is a branch of a major international banking institution with a vast global network. This makes it a particularly strong choice for individuals who travel internationally frequently or need to send money overseas. HSBC's premier checking accounts offer attractive perks such as fee-free international money transfers, dedicated customer service, and access to a global ATM network. For those needing worldwide banking access, HSBC's robust online and mobile banking platforms provide convenient service to clients around the globe. One potential drawback is HSBC's limited physical branch network in the United States, concentrated mainly along the coasts. This might not be suitable for customers who prefer in-person banking services. Furthermore, HSBC accounts often require higher minimum balances to waive monthly maintenance fees, potentially posing a challenge for customers with lower account balances. Alternatively, M&T Bank is a regional bank with a significant presence in the northeastern and mid-Atlantic regions of the United States. It's recognized for its comprehensive range of personal and business banking services, with a strong focus on community banking. M&T Bank provides checking accounts without monthly fees if specific criteria are met, such as maintaining a minimum balance or enrolling in direct deposit. They also boast excellent customer service, and their mobile banking app is highly regarded for its user-friendly interface. M&T Bank's fee structure is more transparent than HSBC's, which makes it a compelling option for those who value clarity and lower fees. However, M&T Bank's international banking services are less extensive than HSBC's, making it less suitable for individuals requiring global banking capabilities. To summarize, if you value international banking services and require a bank with global reach, HSBC USA is likely the better option. Conversely, if you're seeking a regional bank with transparent, lower fees, excellent customer support, and a focus on community banking, M&T Bank might be a more appropriate fit. Be sure to check the description below for links to both banks and select the one that best aligns with your specific financial requirements.